Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in News NC channel. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create dynamic connection string or dynamic connection into database using Visual Basic, and in this case or in this tutorial, I will using facility of application string I mean, in the project. So before I make dynamic connection into database, I will show you how this project run. Okay, you can download. This is actually my old project. You can review in the playlist of my video tutorial, my video tutorial about Visual Basic programming, or you can download this project in www.news.co.id /web/vb. Okay, so we can practice with same time. Okay, this record is take from my database. In this case, my database is your gb, and the record is here, guys. This is the record. You can see this is the record. So we will try to change the connection string or the connection into a dynamic method. This is uh, static, so if you open in different computer, or if you install in another computer or another server that save your database, will cause the problem itself. So we just want to adding text box for creating dynamically connection. Okay, I want to put here. Okay guys, okay, and describe I want to using label and change this is server. I'm sorry. I'm sorry guys. Username, this is username of database, guys. So don't confuse username database, not your username computers. Password database. Okay, server, username, password, and then we need also the name of database, of course. Database name, and optional you can using also port, but I think it's enough with server, username, password, and db name. Okay, I want to change also the name of properties. The server I want to change the name properties of text box 1 to txt server. For username is txt username db. For password is txt password db, and the db name is txt db name. And so for saving configuration, I also need one button, and the button name I will change to bt shift. And for text, I want also to change shift like this. Okay, I show you again, guys. I will show the code of button show here. You can see if we put the select asterisk from TB testing in here. Okay, so this is really using database. If I run, we'll show the record, but the asking is, can we using dynamic connection? If we click here, if we using dynamic connection, we can change configuration about different server. After we creating text box and label and the button, we need to go our project properties. Okay, go to the setting. Okay, after the setting, we need to make for item for text box connection. Name is mserver for my server. Type string, scope is by user, guys. So username, user db, password db, and the last is db name. Okay. I'm sorry. After that, we need to make the data binding in the app text box server, username, password, and db. Go to the application setting and the properties binding. You can go to here. Okay, I replay once again. Go to the application setting. Go to property binding here, and then click the triple dot here. In the text, choose with application setting that our created. In this case is server, so I click mserver. I click OK and repeat with other. This is for txt username db, so muser db. This is for password, and this is for database name. Okay, this is not complete, guys, and we need to go to the our connection before we create it to dynamic. This is still static, so we need to change the string into okay, my dot setting dot for server is server, and then for user is suitable with for the password. And the last, of course, for database. For database name, we need to okay, this is our configuration file, but this not yet complete. Server user password database is equal to our application setting that just created. Okay, we back to form 1 sign in the button save. Okay, we need to code saving the configuration. For my muser db is equal to t user txt user, I mean. For muser password server, after my setting muser db in the application setting is equal to txt db txt server txt password and txt username db. So for saving, we just do adding this line of code. So after we showing or saving the configuration and showing the message box, we need to reload the setting and then restart the application. Okay, and after that also we need to adding application or reload the setting in the form load. Okay, we need to run our project and show you can see guys, if I click, because this is still empty, okay, this program is error, then rather we see the error, we can create a exception, so adding the try and catch statement. Once again, you can download my project in news.co.id. Okay, because our configuration is still empty here, the computer will show no database selected. Okay, we need to creating this configuration. Username is root, password is empty, db name is suitable with this, your db, and then save, guys, because this setting will reload an application restart. You can see if I click, your server configuration has saved. Okay, and this is still empty, but if we run, okay guys, you can see the configuration. We need to run the project again. Okay, and show, you can see here it works. If I try to search for that, nothing found, or it's like this, for example, and I save. Okay, you can see if I click show, no database selected because the server is nothing. I don't understand why my setting is not, my settings reload, guys. Yes, okay, I will, that is our last configuration. Why if I change to saving, reload, and if I try to comment this, F, yes, there is nothing. If like this, I'm sorry guys, I don't understand why it's not showing after I save. Okay, FGT, okay, it's no problem, but okay, rather we creating the my setting dot reload for best. I want to change with uh, m or txt username db is equal my dot username txt password for pass db. I want to up to date, guys, so we need to change more and more. Okay, for server is equal to my dot server settings dot m server txt name is equal my dot settings dot we need to try. Actually this is not a problem guys, but I want to the configuration if save automatically showing in the text box, so user is not confused rather than the restart the application. Okay, no, what happened? Could not copy. Okay, and I want to clean solution and then rebuild the solution. Why this happen error? Okay, we need to restart the application, I think. Oh yes, this is okay. Okay guys, we need to rebuild. Okay, and clean the solution. Still running guys. That's I want to change to who for trying. Ah, no. Why this not okay? I don't want to restart, but why it won't work? Okay guys, this is not problem. But we actually is make the application is with dynamic. Okay, dynamic. Okay, unable to connect to any of the specified MySQLs because this is nothing. But if I change to like this, I will no database selected because we need to restart the application for work. Okay, if show is work. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I've just testing, so I paused the video. Okay, for save the time. After I try, we need to put the application restart after the message box and then reload the application in the form1 load. So this is right method here. If we start again, okay, you can see this is server is 127.0.0.1 and the username of database is root. If I click show, will no database selected. Then I need to adding database name if our database name is your DB, and then save. Okay, after message box, you can see actually this is no database selected, but if we do it again, you can see guys, I'm sorry, but this is still bug, I mean. But if I click show issue again, if we click or change the username to like this, you can see if this is completely access, then it's for user to add localhost database to your DB. Okay, if root your server configuration file, okay, show. If localhost also shift show. If the localhost I want to like this, shift and then show. Unable to connect to any of the specified as MySQL hosts. Okay, and then change again to localhost again. I'm sorry guys for wasting time, but this is best I can give for you. Okay, that's all my video tutorial about how we can create dynamic connection using MySQL database and of course Visual Basic. And you can download my project of course in my website here. So don't forget to subscribe for newest video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.